Welcome back, everyone. I'm Raul from Find a Job in Germany, and I'm here together with my partner.
Tamo, hey, how are you?
Welcome. Guys, we want to talk about salary again and jump into the difference of gross and net salary in Germany. And that is very important for you to know because the taxes are comparable high, but you get a lot for that as well. And we want to share more insight what it actually means. For that, we have prepared two cases for you. One for a single with 65K annual gross salary. And also we're going to have another case where we look at a more family-based income. Let's jump in. Tamo, you have prepared here one website for us, which we also can share in the videos below. Tell us and guide us. You have here a calculator where you can put in your gross annual salary, and then what else?
Exactly. So what I'm doing here, you see that it's a calculator. You can use a lot of others online as well. So what you put in here, first of all, we do the example. You have 65,000 Bruttoeinkommen. That means that is your gross salary before tax, right? A year. Importantly, if you are single, you're on the highest tax class. In Germany, that is tax class 1. You can see that 6 different tax classes. Single is 1. So you put it in. The rest is not really important. You don't have kids, right? This is for your health insurance. That is important. Just leave it like it is, and you click on Berechnen, and then you see 65,000 is around 5,400 gross a month, and those are is the tax you pay, so 950 euros tax you pay on that, and the rest is things you pay for social insurances, like for your pension you pay, for your unemployment insurance you pay, and for you, the biggest chunk actually you pay for the pension and then for the health insurance. What you see in the end, this is your net salary. So with 65,000 euros gross, you have around 3,350 euros net in your pocket, right? Important to understand. So this is what you can spend. And important to understand is that you don't have extra cost if you need to go to see a doctor, if you need to go to hospital, whatever. This has all been paid for already, right?
So the employer partly pays for your insurance, and the rest is already deducted by your gross salary.
So technically 50% of the overall sum is paid by your employer, 50% is by you. Just to give you an idea what a change in tax class means. So let's assume you're earning 65 and you're married, right? And your wife is not working. Then you should move to tax class 3. Your wife would be in tax class 5. And you can see the difference for your net salary. Before it was 3,350, now it's 3,740. So it is a difference of more than 400 euros, which you have more in your pocket every month if you're married and your wife should not be working. Same gross salary, 65,000 euros. Yeah, this is what you have as a family income.
Okay, cool. So let's move to a more senior salary, let's say 80K, and you are also married, have a spouse which is earning less, so we can stay to a class
way less,
3.
So we stay 80K.
What would be the outcome here? What would be the net salary?
So the net salary here you see would be 4,000, almost 4,600 euros, what you're going to have in your pocket with a gross salary of 80,000 euros.
Okay, and Tamo, what if like this family here has 2 kids? What do they get on top?
On top of that, for each child you have, you get Kindergeld, which you get, it's 250 euros a month for each child you have. Mm-hmm. And of course, an important thing here in Germany, education is free. So school is free in most states, the kindergarten is free. I know from different places, like I heard stories in Dubai, for example, where you pay a huge amount for good schools. US, of course. So that is, for families, the biggest advantage you have, I guess, free education.
And something to add, if you come here with your family and you are insured and be part of the public health insurance, your family is also covered by your insurance. Yeah, so you don't need to spend more insurance cost for your kids or for your wife. It's all part of your family insurance.
Exactly. All right, I think that covered most of the things for today. So what you should understand is it's important what tax class you're in. If you're married, you pay less tax, right? And you also got an understanding what you pay the tax for, what you pay the social insurance money for. We hope that video helped you.
We're going to share the calculator also.
Exactly. And if you want to move to Germany, if you find this interesting, have a look at our video training, which you find below this video. Get an understanding how we work. Book a get-to-know call with us, and we're going to assess your profile. If we find it interesting, if we think you have good chances of moving here, we're going to work with you. Then it usually takes 3 months, and then you'll be in Germany, and we can talk more about your salary. See you soon. Bye bye.
Take care.